Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Liz and today I'm showing you guys how I created this Valentine's Day look. Before we jump into this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's jump into the tutorial. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look since Valentine's Day is only about maybe 2 weeks away. So I'm going to be bringing back the I Want It All Kylie Jenner birthday palette. Is this her birthday one or is it Valentine's Day? I think it's birthday, right? Birthday. So this came out last year. It has tons of pink and champagne and neutral colors. This is the palette that I'm going to be using today to create my Valentine's Day look. So let's jump right in. So the first color that I'm going to be using is this middle shade, which is Buttercream Frosting, and I'm going to be putting this as an all-over lid color just to make sure that all the rest of the colors blend out seamlessly. And when this palette first came out, I was obsessed with this palette. These shades blend so well. They are super pigmented. I love the color selection that she chose for this palette. Her eyeshadows have just gotten better and better with each palette that she's released. So now that we have our all over transition color, this is just gonna help all the rest of the shadows blend seamlessly. Next color I'm gonna be taking is Forever Young, which is this really light baby pink shade. And I'm gonna be putting this all over my crease. And I'm just using a very light hand because I just want a really light wash of this color. And I'm bringing it up a little bit higher so that way I can see it when my eyes are closed. I do have a little bit of a hooded eye. And I'm using my MAC 224 brush. So I want to know what your plans are for Valentine's Day. So are you going to be spending it with your boo? Are you going to be spending it with your best friends? Are you going to be having an anti-Valentine's Day party? Let me know in the comments below. So my night is going to be pretty low-key. I do have a fiance, but we both have to work that day. So we're probably just going to spend the night in, watch a movie, and relax. We've been together for 13 years. Would I like to be wined and dined? Absolutely. What girl doesn't? But I'm also okay spending a night in at home. One of my favorite things to do is just kind of veg and watch movies and rub on really good junk food and chocolate. So I think it'll be fun. The next color I'm going to be going into is this middle color here, which is the new black. It's like a bright pink. And I'm going to be taking this on my ColourPop E9 brush. And this is just a really nice blending brush that allows you to keep it very low in the crease. And this has become one of my favorite brushes to use. So I'm just taking this color all over the lower part of my crease because I still want to see that light pink shade above it. What do you guys normally wear on Valentine's Day? Do you guys go all out and dress up? Or is it just another day to you guys where you wear kind of a sweatshirt and just chill out? I'm going to go back in with my MAC 224 brush and I'm just going to dip into this first shade we used, Forever Young. And I'm just going to blend these two colors together so that there are no harsh lines. And if you guys hear yelling downstairs, it's because the Super Bowl is currently on right now and my parents are getting a little bit excited. The next color I'm going to be taking is New Year, New Me, which is this kind of pinkish, magenta-ish, red shimmery color. And I'm taking this on a flat brush, which is my MAC 213. And going in, and I'm going to use some Fix Plus, and I'm going to be putting this color all over my lid. And I'm going to be dipping back into the new black, which is the hot pink color we used for our crease. And I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines that we have from New Year, New Me. It's gonna make it look a little more smoky and sultry. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna go back into New Year, New Me with my finger, and I'm just gonna put it all over the lid just to brighten it up since we kind of buffed out a little bit of the color. If you feel that you've lost any of the lighter pink color, you can go back in and bring that color back. Now I'm going to take the new black and I'm going to smoke this out on my lower lash line. And just to deepen out the outer part of the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with New Year, New Me. And I'm just going to put this on the outer corner. And you're going to want to bring this color to about halfway. So we're stopping right under the eye. Just so it connects to the top part of the lid. Now if you want, you can always go in with the black color and put it on the outside and smoke it out a little bit more. But I'm really happy with how this look turned out, so I'm not going to take that chance. For the inner corner highlight and the upper brow bone highlight, I'm going to be taking Confetti, which is the pink shimmery highlighter that she has in her palette. And I'm taking this on my MAC 228 brush, which is the little shader brush. And I'm going to be spraying this with Fix Plus. And I'm just putting this right in the inner corner. And this color is so blinding. It is gorgeous. So pretty, so pretty. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys. Did you guys see the new video by Kylie Jenner about her baby? Congratulations, Kylie. I'm taking this color right underneath the brow bone area. If you guys haven't seen my review on the new Kylie Jenner Blue Honey palette, I will link it below, so make sure to check it out. And I'm going to take Confetti, which is the color we put on our brow bone and inner corner, and I'm going to be dusting it as a highlight on my cheeks. And this color is so beautiful. It gives it kind of like a wet gleam look. It does have a little bit of glitter in it though, so if you do have any acne or any problem spots right here, it is going to enhance it. Now that I'm done with my eyeshadow and highlight, I'm going to be putting on my eyeliner, and I will be right back because I want to show you guys the brand new Ardell Faux Mink lashes that I just got. Now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the new Ardell Faux Mink lashes. And this is the style 811. And I found these at Walgreens and I was so excited. So here they are. Aren't they beautiful? I love them. And they feel just like your real lashes. And these only cost, I think, maybe about $8 bucks? I'll have to double check. I will put the price up here. And they feel so soft. They feel just like your real eyelashes without any product on them. These are the ones, they're the style 811. They flare out at the ends and they're short in the beginning. I thought these were so beautiful. And I also got the style 812. These ones are super fluffy, but they don't flare out. They're the same length all the way around the eyelashes. I'm gonna be wearing the 811s today. And the way that I like to put lashes on is I like to take black eyeliner glue and put the glue actually on the bottom part of my eyeliner. And that way I don't get any glue on my eyelashes, and it's so much easier to take your eyelashes off and you don't rip out any real eyelashes in the process. I'm gonna put the lashes on off camera and I will be right back. And to finish this look off, I'm going in with my Nicki Minaj, the PinkPrint lipstick, which is my holy grail lipstick and my favorite color in the world. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So that is it for today's look. I hope you guys like the look that I created today. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. If you guys don't have anyone, please remember that I love you. I love you so much. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.